Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to withdraw USDT in TRC20 from Trust Wallet. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open Trust Wallet. So launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure that you have the latest version of the app installed. Now access your USDT balance. So from the main screen of Trust Wallet, locate and tap on the Wallet or Assets tab. Scroll through your list of wallets and find the USDT wallet in TRC20 format. Now select the USDT wallet. So tap on the USDT wallet to access its details and transactions option. Tap on Send or Withdraw. Look for the Send or Withdraw button within the USDT wallet details and tap on it. After that, enter the recipient address. In the To or recipient address field, enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Make sure to double check the address to avoid any mistakes. Specify the amount. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Ensure that you have sufficient balance and consider any network fees associated with the transaction. Now select the TRC20 network. So look for an option to choose the network or blockchain. Select the TRC20 network for USDT. After that, confirm the transaction details. Take a moment to review the transaction details, including the recipient address, amount, and network selection. Verify that all the information is accurate before proceeding. Now you need to approve and confirm the transaction. Once you have reviewed the details, proceed to approve and confirm the transaction. Depending on the configuration of your Trust Wallet, you may need to authenticate the transaction using your wallet's passwords, biometrics, or PIN. Now wait for the transaction to be processed. After confirming the transaction, you will need to wait for the blockchain network to process the transaction. The duration can vary based on network congestions and other factors. Now you need to verify the withdrawal. Once the transaction is processed, you can check the transaction status and verify the withdrawal by viewing the transaction details on the Blockchain Explorer. You can find your transaction hash or ID in the transaction history of your Trust Wallet or by searching for your wallet address or a TRON Blockchain Explorer. So please note that transaction fees, network congestions, and other factors can impact the speed and cost of withdrawing USDT. It is essential to review the transaction details and consider any associated fees before confirming the withdrawal. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.